Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I want to show you how you can actually change your language settings on your dstv-extra-decoder. So all you got to do is to pick up your remote and you press on the blue button on the remote, and that's the DSTV logo, which will take you to the menu. Alright, so when you come to the menu, you look for settings. You're going to use the arrow left and right keys, and then you look for settings. Alright, so settings, you come to the first option, that is the user preference. You press OK on it, and you come to the video and audio. You press OK on it, and then we have the settings over here, the language settings that you can actually change it. Okay, so we have English. You can change it to Portuguese, French. Okay, and we have subtitles language as well. As you can see here, you come down here and you can change the subtitles as well. Alright, so after that, after changing it to the preferred language that you want, the next thing is to press on the back button or the return button to actually let it save automatically. Alright, so that's it. If you find this video helpful and you're new here, all you got to do is subscribe, and if you hit the bell icon, you lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.